Big Wave Shrimp is open and okay. They're cleaning up back here. Got all flooded. Oh, look at this. There's gonna be a Big Wave Burger Company. Ooh. All flooded. All flooded. These guys are not open. Hi, kitty cat.
Oh, hey, you can experience more with Groupon. Quality time in the great outdoors? Yep. Laughter-filled hangouts? Yep. A wild time with friends? Yep. So, looking for fun things to do near you? Yep. There's a Groupon for that.
Yeah, looks like they're fixing up. I'm not sure if they're open or not, but they look close. Especially with the grill in front of their window. Oh, you guys are opening one more area? Burger side.
Next week.
Oh, cool.
Thank
Wow, awesome.
Thank you.
Yeah, we'll stop by again.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, yeah. They said next week they're opening the burger.
Oh, we gotta check it out.
Burger
when
side.
we do around the island.
Yeah, we can totally do that.
Yeah. Buy Austin a burger.
All those places, I don't think none of them are
The Korean
open.
place is closed, yeah.
And then there's the Thai place
Oh,
too.
so good. Peter didn't come with us.
Yeah.
He would have been disappointed.
The window's open, but
The Thai food.
but I mean there's a grill in front of it on the outside, you know, in front of the window, so I don't think they're open.
Wow, you know, this is so further down is where I saw the picture, the flood.
Oh yeah, yeah.
So it must be still out of business.
Ooh, look at that roof, it's leaning.
I
don't think that was like that.
see. That's where it had the big flood.
You wanna go look real quick?
Yeah.
They're not gonna call it. Oh, you don't wanna call? Poke for the people. Ooh. Yeah. Yeah, I saw that. Oh yeah. Look at this. Holy cow. The river came down over here. This was a shack, I think.
Can you see? Oh, yeah.
Watch out.
Can you see the lock where the
I'm gonna walk up over there. Oh no, that's the next one over. Yeah. Oh, look at that. So the river must have been gushing down, all the debris coming out over here. Wow. crazy.
Where this was originally.
Come, let's go look real quick. We're gonna walk to the Giovanni's area real quick. Yeah, they must have cleaned up. I heard this area was all flooded and now they cleaned it up. That's good for them. To clean that up. All right, well that parking lot's open. I thought it would be closed still. Oh, you can see all the damage out of the flooding along the
Well, look all the
stream.
Look all the branches that are knocked over.
Yeah.
Like this one.
The water must have been coming up over there, yeah.
The picture I saw, the water was in the parking lot.
From the parking lot.
It was all covered.
Oh, okay. Wow. Nuts. Holy cow. It would be scary if you were in that and the water's coming down.
I think they were supposed to evacuate.
Yeah. But the sort of water must have all gone inside the buildings, yeah, and all that lower area. Oh. Right. Okay, zone, 5-minute parking. We'll get a break after this. Oh. Cute. Cute. Okay, must be ready or almost ready.
Yes, 41. Thank you very much. We're gonna cross very hard, okay?
Okay.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too.